Inessa Creations Monaco is a Monegasque eco-luxury brand which aims to highlight the inner power and strength of the people who will wear the product. You are at the lead of your own life. That's why I love to say you are the creator of your own life. The recognition of my newborn brand in 2019 during the Monte Carlo Fashion Week, where I was awarded the Made in Monaco award next to huge people in the fashion industry as Alberta Ferretti, Naomi Campbell, Institut Français de la Mode, and other big influence to me. I see myself all around the world with different boutiques and lines and affiliations into the name of the brand, and still pushing this eco-sustainability value and art that made us our name and keep shining.